Japade na nyame de ma wo as oba a ema wo ye oba no. Japade mienu no ba ko osoro ba ko ofom. Sa nyapade no wan kan kire wo se. Tonwo. Wan kan kire wo so ton. God gave you those properties for a purpose. God nyame de sa japade mienu no e de ma for a purpose. Now the now what my social media more pressure. Yes, afefe more pressure. No bad na wo jama wo bought me here for sir. Oba, what is your name? Do you work? Where do you live? Follow me. Now what masaka sa we etimi convince. Now what ko bon ho deja. Now Russia ni beme. What did the tanko babadue e de yi 9 times radie. Why do you do that? Why do you do that? Russia ni bema we. Bema we. Not in the tanko babadua. No way down. I'm a the tanko babadua. And the you 9 times radie. Why do you do that? Say crano. And Tia yen sa Canada say. Sa Russia ni bema crano. It's unconfirmed though. Yes, or HIV/AIDS. He has the infection. And Tia de we walk tia. Somewhere in Augusta. Checking mema u free ho a oni o makwakoda. Checking mema u free ho oni o makwakoda. Omo so matibi. So bo betibia, omo so no checking ma omo ni o makwakoda. Spread ko. Enti ya basre ye nuanom ma. Mummo ho ban. Eh. What nipa just one day. Follow me. Na chese wo di ekire na wadeja nyame de mawo we japade nyame de mawo se wo de bewo wo de beji woni wo nura na wo jemo fofofo 200 cities o wieso ebi bo akura na o wie rekra wa ma mo lorry fail 200 cities na me ameti hey prof na me na maka just say what is your name? Do you work? Where do you live? Follow me. Me ameti am crack black color. Ubedi mechi. Ubedi mechi. Oba mi hwe wani mo. Ubedi mechi. Hey. Mwa o. Amai. Mwa fullest. Amai. Mwa. Hey. Womo ma ware mponi e. Nipa bienu ma mienu aware. But this is just too much. 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 Hey, ema we. Ai. Na we. Na me ni ababi ka ho. Manu susum na so. Empare me. Ana me baby. How come on? Come on. Safo Miraho, Patrick Miraho. Sina Bright Miraho. Hey. Charlie. Uye juma we. Udin the same. Uye juma we. When you saying, follow me. Hey! Eti me lie. And I gonna for my embrace.
Prof,
Messi. What is your name?
What is your name? Do you work? How old are you?
Follow me.
Wait.
Na mo my embrace.
Safu de bi okopre bro ya.
But on pizza who do amato. Mami go about so that be the yen ya bema Richard Kumabo or a cyber security expert na yen no ending komo. Richard, ya ma kwa baba for God and country or SOMPA 106.5 FM or Accra and Pacho what to say? Okay, you better was say pass what you prince when you be din komo. Say enkomo a yeda hora na say aye abrante ya wo fi Russia man mu ba Ghana ha ene ye nuanom mma bi be de die no. Ye nya ntia say ya kire no. And of course Ghana has also the air Canada say abrante no. E wo say bomoding na de ne ba ha na obefisi ayemra. Ye bisa say the abrante no here in the first place no. Etiamra na.
Definitely, ono bi kasaka na o de to speaker. It's a crime. Ono bi kasana o recording without their knowledge. It's a crime. Ono bi ada na wa taking a video without their consent. It's a crime. or share ya also also share no and I say when I share ya no also commit crime.
Hey.
And they are all crimes under the Cyber Security Act. And in your yeah, it's a crime because he took a picture with them. He took them naked pictures without the consent of the lady. And that is a major crime.
And as I catch him say a crime I brand you know you better me na bagana ha man abefisi mrana.
So what is important is under the jurisprudence of this country, he can be tried in absentia.
Okay.
And see, if they try him in absentia, whatever comes out of the court, you apply it. Let's say you for court in a court the man for stadium setting. It can be either he served the sentence in Russia or he's brought here. But the absence from Ghana doesn't mean that we can't go to court with the charges against it. We can't, and he can be tried in absentia.
But Richard, educate me because 1 year I share our videos, you know. What my ati say it's yamra. People don't know. Can we give us an insight?
Public education is Anna.
Oh.
Say to me a whole year. Okay, I said one day we took our time and spoke about live a hygienic social media lifestyle. Okay.
I remember.
Because Papa, mommy, and to be very careful because a stranger is not your friend. And you know, so we too, as individuals, we need to take responsibility for our actions. Now you're careful, Kakra. Because only because I'm sure now I record you. Particularly within political environment and within the media environment. Only adi koma office adebi how who can record you. And yet ufa ma for phone recordings also no. It's too much. They are all crimes. Let alone you take them a video having sex with somebody, you take them a video without their consent. It's a crime. Now our sisters also who take naked pictures of themselves. There's something we call the Public Order Act. When you breach the Public Order Act and you don't put up a decent dress, shows, then boys and girls will go and be having sex publicly under the show and others to be taking a video. You're the one who organized the show. Are you sure you are reasonable enough that you organize a show, people come and have sex under your show or in the name of music? There are challenges and there are consequences for that behavior.
But Richard, you touched on one thing. One more nude videos, Eddie Komomo, boyfriend, so to speak. It's also against the law, eh?
Okay, sir. Mommy be your sister be not who yourself are, you're very fair.
Yeah.
Only young boy be kodaya or more video.
Yeah.
And a videos never out, okay.
Me kaipa.
And a lawyer to them, you see, who shared the video, court and all manner of things. And then, so I know Wababa, a big person or Chrome High, he has joined a particular professional with a very distinguished. You don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. So you must behave properly. Sometimes I'm tempted to use certain words. You know, you don't know what you become tomorrow. So stop nonsense and stop stupidity and act properly. As if you are trained in a house, you have a culture, you have values, you have parents. There are times they'll call me and they say, Richard, my naked picture is on. I send it to somebody, a boyfriend, and the boyfriend is sharing. I said, please. Why did you take such a picture? Your naked picture with sperms all over your private parts and you are sharing it with a so-called boyfriend when the internet never forgives and never forgets? What has come upon you? So those are some of the things. We need to be careful and live a hygienic social media lifestyle. Me say, I don't do WhatsApp call, video call.
Yeah.
If you don't plan, if you have a boyfriend or your girlfriend, and you want to make a video call, plan it and know that this time we are doing a video call so that you dress properly, your background is properly dressed up. Then you do the video call because you don't know when your nakedness will be out there. It can happen to be a mistake. How much more you deliberately did it? No problem.
But Richard, you know, no money be aye victims. Now victims no more ye no. Woman baby, a woman de omweni betchere, and of course yes. And memana woman ye almost so spread your naked videos no. They are threatening them. To those ladies, no, Richard, advise men how to be more.
No, I think one, live a hygiene social media life. Number two, I'm advocating for FBI. Let me use your medium. There are two men at the psychological department of the University of Ghana, Legon. Okay. One is called Professor ABC. The other one is called Dr. Eric Daly. Maybe one day you bring them to your studio. They need to get to these young women and help them. I do personality development. I have stopped for some time. Because when I was working closely with the head of the anti-human trafficking unit, when it comes to human trafficking involving women, it is so disturbing. When they become victim for the first time, the likelihood that they will become victim again is very high. Because everything is gone, vulnerability becomes high, and people take advantage of them. So if we don't have the psychology people from the University of Ghana, Professor ABC and Professor Ridelli and co to come and help, there's going to be problems. Then we will also beg for Dosso, and because once the Chrome had welfare department in Jumao. They don't even have a budget.
Wow.
NCC don't have a budget. Information department don't have a budget.
Wow.
The critical instruments you need, they don't have a budget. So welfare doesn't work in this country. And one share here, because they are vulnerable, they will fall victims again. So as a society, let's stop the political fraud and stealing from the state and put in the money to do some of these things. And our sisters too, please. This is serious for one. You met somebody, you don't know whether it's a ghost or it's a human being. What about if they kill you and cut your meat into pieces? Then you follow them to go have sex. For what? So let's be careful. We all make mistakes sometimes.
Sure.
And you look back and say, me plan am I yesterday. But sometimes when you have the opportunity to do it right, let's do it. Let's just do it. Because not doing it right, the consequences are just too high. Once a man be fire or say guy no on and that, but the husband is falling for the boss.
Sure.
How do you defend yourself? We call it a coincidence.
Yeah.
How do you defend yourself? The PR can be they will not believe you. And today, nobody is afraid of Tiana, Nugoku, or the other one is
Antoine.
Nobody, or the one at Latte. What be the name, sir?
That one I don't know.
Latte people to get one be. Everybody they fear that one. Those ones too, we are not afraid of them. You see, we spoil everything. Those days, our grandfathers were not like that. You talk true, but today, people know they talk true. People are lying too much. So among system now a bit more some way. The churches are not getting top. They know they sit up. The shrines know they sit up. Everybody know they sit up. So you have to take personal responsibility. You meet a stranger. The stranger is not your friend. You don't know them. Why do you follow them to do that? No. Now, I get where I'm about to catch you. You take your time and watch it. When you go to around Marina Mall Airport Share area, between the hours of 4:35, 5:36, the things you will see there, you ask yourself, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
I've never been there around that time. Into me, who be?
What would be that one?
They me cohort that time, don't you know? Between
Marina Mall and Airport Share, around that time.
Yeah.
Between the hours of 4 a.m., 4:30, 5 o'clock, 5:36. All of them I saw they can fall between any day, any time.
But you have been there until then I who here.
No, it's too horrible. It's too horrible. People are naked. People are doing all manner of things.
Wow.
As if conscience doesn't work again.
Wow.
As if there's no tomorrow. In this country, we need to rewind certain things and, Oh God!
And Richard, I'm a bit surprised because we have security personnel in this country and the police know what we are now.
They are shared responsibility of some things we do. Say social welfare judgment. When people's back is against the wall, where did they go? There are no shelters or something. They come back to the street. But when you live in the street, anything can happen in the street. The street life is a dangerous life. And you don't want people to find vulnerability and come to the street. And it is all say, as Africans, families have a stress moment. The parents have died. One parent died, the other one died, or two of them. Parents, families should take you in. It's the way we manage stress situations in our country. And that is getting out of hand. And nobody wants to do it. So you have a lot of people living in the street. And it's very dangerous.
Richard Kumado, we my nurse, Pastor Mahokama, thank you so much. I was 40 said I'm in Richard Kumado, a cyber security expert. And what is a minute no dinko. But why at as I say, Brantiero? He can be tried in his home country. Da emrano action or you bet me jailing it is not necessary say you're in the Babagana na anything come. But the other issues we'll be touching on right here. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Yeah, you saw me vent my spleen, my anger towards this kind of a friend is behavior about our girls right here.
Yeah.
I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. You know, yeah, baba modern na your name. A clinical psychologist be so edding come because a man here more.
Yeah, not say I said back be crowd
Kenya no crowd. So
was saying
he's killed himself. He's committed suicide. And young person said the about 2 years I
think someone here psychological.
Someone here some training, counseling, psychological counseling. That is the right
because idea way said to I
am recounting me madam for Bakubia a tono. Samanami will be no. Mukaisa a brante be shed tamaleho. It di maybe nyedwa. Mukaisa story no. Free Canada. I had a friend who was a victim. Very beautiful girl.
Oh.
Obano uhuna or ye irresistibly attractive. Pretty. Asam no tono. Say, Miss Abochi, me person me fed no when I'm saying that you are not dying. You are not dying. I said, come on, you are not dying. You are not the only person. You are not the only person. I had to take care through counseling sessions and even a time I see and I made enough therapeutic, sessions. People thought say, no, but I took her through it. And today she's studying abroad.
Oh.
Very intelligent, very intelligent.
Prof, why are there? Can you say go?
Yes, she told me.
Because I'm not having your naked video outside.
Very, very nasty. And they be our friend here. Oh, Mr. Abochi, thank you. God bless. Now we know bad. Now we recording. Now what you dang? We know bad. Now we recording. No what you dang? And what him say? Sometimes you don't know. A money be what? Woman shadow. It is with their consent that a man recording. A money be what?
Preso. I'm a record. Now all record them all the yedding.
They share Eddie have fun. Almost share their have fun. But to say we are course on. I want to ask you what bonting I would hear Mrs. CA. What did it say? Why did the girls do that? Na amanfo nsuan ye ma bi mfiri mu na asem we si no se to a den na wo pesa e wo sa wo ye me pa cho betimi afreses ya 0249 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me pa cho wana me na ka say.
Thank Abochi e bia no pa.
Me pa cho be ho ye pa.
Elias the base.
Okay, Elliot, what am I? Here now, Casa Free. Okay, yeah, that's it. Elliot, Dan Suman last stop. All right, so thank you so much. So we want to ask, are there way are be lessons to be learned? Then you issue free mo.
Enya, girls no, omu jeja omu tuma. Because that's somewhere a very very issue. What the whole family. The whole family. I would say TikTok to share with the Lusu TikTok. I'm telling you the fact because
or TikTok. Look of Yama, a bit more you who have said or TikTok. And also, can Yama away a call. Yes, any Ghana for. Yes, so you're paying for multi-years, and it's like a young Africa for fast body way. Oh, says Subaru or Rocky. I'm sure no, Namsu about Ghana.
Okay.
Oh, say Ghana girls only cheap. This is time a Ghana girls. We are very, very careful.
Okay, so yeah, better was say, but not person bisa. If you two are whatever ma yenuana mumma womutie. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me pacho wana mene ne kase. Abdullah, what am I ma kwa ba yetie on this particular subject?
My power, you know, I beg you for my transfer.
Yeah, that's.
Then you see or mine. But put your account to my say, maybe video, before back to say, yes, I can use video before I do.
Okay.
And yes, some kids was having to never.
Yeah.
Now I just imagine a barney crown post to that. I didn't know bar. Over Prince of Beman, Quadana, all you nakedness, not applied to public. What a conversation before, with Beman Coy. Come, yeah, man, so can't be. What they didn't so you nakedness to public, no be home. Then I got so much TikTok, Facebook, not there. Well, so I got time. Oh, I was yes, I mean, probably and thinking for so move on by what all managing no more margin and send another boy.
Midase pass over Benjamin so you can call 0260-1960-64 0260-1960-65. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm good. And 1 minute in the
Well, do they do Tamamayo?
Oh, do Tamamayo. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah.
Super Mayo Tama.
Yo, yeah, that's it. My young child say, somewhere I buy, in your man or Munyading.
And I dear woman say, they are happy already. As somebody said that now. The Mompe councillors no more Kasa. So I forget about it. That's all. Right.
Okay. Now that aside, you know, if you to be now, they
should take care of themselves. Almost half naked. And beautiful woman, but you are half naked. You should talk to them. Talk to them.
Abdullah, do the doom. I mean, now I say so. Bye. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me patron 1 minute in the case.
My name.
Okay.
Do.
Okay, that's fine. My young child say, "You know, no man."
Yeah. I'm catching myself.
Me too.
Man, I'm going to say no. Some for more. When I'm saying I'm going to know, if I one and another man.
Ah, Sakebio.
Oh, I know any. Yeah, a man Ghana cry. So we are paying. That's all the money. So that's one more papa. Against one and against two families. I am winning. My man says you can't move and get around. Yeah, the people are Ghana. What you for and the post down man.
That is a man, you know, officer, dainty name of yes, sir.
I don't say against one, my minimum, against one papa, against one man about what I think.
Now, the big number trap me because a man or then a mom with me, yes, sir.
I'm so I've been awful.
What am I doing? Awful.
I don't know what I'm doing. A man, I'm saying, I see I took you when you're
yo, with them, I mean, that's a passer by, but my only one corner, ADSC. Now, 0260-1960-64 0260-1960-65. What's that? Abani say no. Aye enimguasie bi na ababeto emano. And what's a man in free? Hello, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Yeah, me ba wana me ne kasai.
Well, but original poem de wonyam da be SOMPA 106.5.
Yeah, that same akwa ba. Say yenu no mba no. Dem pa na be ma no eja no ho. What is your name? What work do you do? What is your age? Follow me. Not just what you say. Hey.
I was a prof. I never call him. No credit ever for pay. I thought I am no credit.
No credit.
Bibininya hunu broni dia. Obunisi ni bibia.
Hey, bibininya hunu broni dia.
Obunisi ni bibia. Na hunu mza chama itawo ba wezi ashawa ni nzamba ya no. So no nange ko ba senka eye na ye kense mbe piu. Video zube pebisa.
Wow.
That is nanke ye mema. Ntiyenya mara no mze umadwu mo ha no madwu mu ne ha. Yenya bibifo na ngan sabi yenye ye huni.
Wow.
Yenye huni se hugo na boni no oya sonko sene ye ne amenti no.
Antino ujiri say a man who say we dey nya broni be my fresh guy dia na cheso we wie okoroshe ane sa.
Na that problem me obebi timika so.
Atimika sa.
Obara ane me boni din.
I me boni din. Me das. Me das pass over. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. I will chapo.
Apomo yo bato one of the kase.
Me the fans them kaseti am from.
Okay, Francis am from what am ma pacho my ntiwe.
Abochi Ghana ma o. Omo yesikani briefo.
Omo yesikani briefo.
Ai omo pite tension dia na isko. Bada se omo yesikani briefo, omo pite tension dia na iska. Ono omo se goni bia, omo pite goni bia so na tadi owo ska na to o aguta agbochi nko ha enyafo obapa.
Hey.
Then enyafo Africa no. The same thing na enyafo so agbochi. Mama yom say omu goni bia me anti go second when you go to second year China for omu mbaye Chinese from go omu ne be bia wu go ye na ye take an mo mudi what is this
hey
omu fi say omu goni a say okokra na awu fon to pian kwada no so la u bi ni de on fa on ye o to me no na
Mami das na fa last caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Magina Twatter, to be your bar, Magina Twatter.
Oh, a me come man as some this said. Me bacho facha me bacho.
Me stress I am busy.
Okay, me bacho udin the same.
Abotchie be atama me, the Catholic tantra.
Okay, atama me kasa free tantra. Atama me my entie we. Uyo ba.
Abotchie. Uni didi.
Me nim ji so ka kire me.
My ni briefo.
Mo ye ni briefo.
Yes, ni briefo, but ni bristika. Ghana man ye. Omo ho fe, ni kokoko. Ghana mema wa ho. But my ni briefo. Esan say, ope broni de be kwa abustre. Broni de be you have car. Ghana ni be ma de on pe. Because then ni be magnification. Oni car. Or high dine. Or Pedroni or the Beco Abuti. Yet today we are seeing yes now. Ghana folk and man, you need the same young guest now. Naka Ghana, you may Abotchie. So, who about pair or bound today? Abotchie before I can move.
If I told me to your house today.
Missy, so about pair or bound penny.
About penny.
And if it's a nail cost you about time, to pizza man and to shame and because follow me.
Now, and I pizza na me toma because I'm a toma about that one day. And you know to me for say, Minka follow me no.
Because now you who say Ghana man or so we need to Ghana memano.
Sir.
Now Bonnie Bebero can say follow me. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your name? Follow me. Me. I come on me a bit.
Of free Europe. Of Europe.
Me now 4. Don't you see? And so one will say man follow me. Or stay the pet follow me. Or stay the pet no brain. But whom you follow me and let me do it.
Wow.
No brain. But whom you follow me and let me do it.
Wow. I am very proud of you. Atamami that's a pass by why. Okay, if I for last caller, here we are. Yeah, but
hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Me bacho one a minute kasi.
I'm Elvis. I'm speaking from Volta region.
Okay, Elvis. Let's hear your thoughts on this particular issue.
Yes. Do you know something?
I don't know unless you tell me.
It's the ladies who are causing the problem. I'm a victim of one of these kind of issues.
You are a victim?
I'm a victim. One of the victims inside these kind of issues. a lady who Valentine's Day. She demand a money of 200 Ghana cedis to buy a dress, whereby she hasn't visited me before.
Okay.
I sent her money to buy the Valentine's Day dress.
All right.
She said the following, which is yesterday, Sunday.
Yes.
She paid me a visit at Volta region. I sent her, he said he's living at Medina.
Okay.
So he asked for lawyer from Medina to Volta region, where I'm living, is 90 cities.
All right.
I sent her 1.2. She received the money. She later on called me around 1 o'clock in the afternoon that they went to the station. They said the lorry fare is 150 cedis.
Okay.
Okay. I double up and I sent another 100 Ghana cedis to her. After all, she blacklisted my number.
Hey.
Whereby she forget that I have a naked picture, a naked videos that she sent to me with her real pictures. She's a nursing training student.
She's a nursing training
so
student.
If I want to show to her, won't I edit that? Won't I post those pictures to put her on shame?
But do you know that if you should do that, it amounts to a criminal offense? We have just been told by Richard Kumado.
I'm coming. I haven't slept with her, and I haven't slept with her at all before. This is the first time you say you are visiting me.
Okay, so wait, wait. I have an interest in this particular conversation. This is a lady. Yes. This is a lady who has not visited you before.
You said
she has not visited you before.
But she's a nursing student.
Okay,
at my area.
wait. And she has been sending you naked videos and pictures of her.
Yes.
Did you demand for them?
I don't want to mention her sign name or
no.
Name.
We are not even interested in that. But I'm asking, were you the person who requested for those naked videos from the lady?
No, she sent it to me.
Wow.
That I should be thinking of her or feeling of her. It is Valentine's Day. She want to buy a dress. Demand the money of 200 cedis for a dress. I sent her the money. Which is just Saturday. Which is yesterday Sunday. She said she want to visit me. From Medina to where I'm living is 90 cities. I sent her 1.2. Around this time, she called again that they went to the station. They said the money was 1.5. So the money is I add another.
So you believe that? Wait. You believe that the lady has succeeded in scamming you? Is that right?
Yes, defrauding.
She defrauded
me.
Okay.
Yes.
So if she has defrauded you, quick question I want to ask: have you met her in person before?
I met her face to face.
You met her face to face?
I met her face to face when we exchanged later on before she left, where she was schooling as a nursing. Okay.
So I think before I conclude with you, I don't know how she would sit down and say that I am sending my nude videos and pictures to you. And that is criminal in the first place. But once you have put it on record that you did not demand for it and she sent it to you, then it means...
Hello?
Yes, I'm listening to you.
I can be sometimes. Then he send me normal message. He send me pictures on WhatsApp. So I should go on WhatsApp and check. When I go there, she will be on a bed. Then I look like somebody take the picture with another phone, and they send to me those kind of things she will be doing to me almost 3 to 4 months ago. And just Monday, Saturday, and yesterday, Sunday, if I'm a bad person, won't I post her picture, that naked picture, with her real picture, which is she's in necessary training dressing, with her sign name, her mobile money name, or which is with me? Won't I post it?
Okay, so
the lady should be the lady shouldn't be putting the man into a problem or trouble.
Okay, all right. So I get it. So you want to tell me that
if she is listening to SOMPA, she have to know who is the one talking.
Okay.
Not listen to SOMPA.
Okay.
This lady should go to the ladies first.
All right.
These are the nursing ladies.
All right. So thank you so much for speaking to us. We are grateful. But we want to advise you that you delete those pictures from your phone And then be safe, because if you make any attempt of sharing those videos online, the law will catch up to you. Will catch up with you. Thank you so much for speaking to us.
I share up her video on social media online. She's the one who did it because she defrauded me. I can defend myself in court. You can't defraud someone.
Oh, but we are just cautioning you to we are just cautioning you to stay away from that. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Bob.
Yeah, maybe I want to say. Okay, let's listen to you on this particular subject. Yeah, to you. All right.
What is the one on the type? Oh, trainer, one on the type. One about talking about energy. Foreign and never a man like a piano, or by the piano, piano, or no, because of piano, I thought you are my friend. Imagine it.
Really?
Until yeah, I work at my down with you. How old my crack. Airport one.
May I say, let me talk to the last caller so we can end this session and speak to Reverend Joyce I right here, of course, on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Exactly 6 minutes to 4. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, me pacho wana mene ka say.
Pacho me Eric na ka say.
Eric, wadaro ma ka say frame.
Pacho ka say free Accra Sotuum.
Accra Sotuum. Okay. On this particular subject, then I'll be catch the yenu na mama muti.
Pacho, man, me HIV and AIDS friends and companies they are used matter.
All right.
Now say, the eba me see the eba work cause na ye greedy. The word is greedy. GREED.
Until pacho say, ye mano, wo mu ye greedy.
Hey, greed. Make a better iPhone na mano. Where Michelle Bible was brought to me
okay.
We talk now you but you don't worry.
All right.
They do a phone glow on or see me fast can mano. Now me done no phone iPhone, iPhone 10 or iPhone 11.
Okay.
Now me come now iPhone 11 me child talk amount. If me see and I'm catching me no with me chairman na me come call. You see, after when you better iPhone na mano. When you never man $1. Not when you the public. These are the three things. It's in the Ghana, no ompeno, ombuno.
Ha, Mami, that's let's talk to the last call. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me pacho one minute can say.
Adamfo, ABC, I'm Katri Abede.
Okay, good. So no, what dog go munina? What muni bu?
Dog go munina muni price.
Why?
Because the more I say any more thing, I say pemwa, mompenia. Na so ogonifita mi keka uko mi namten na buy yard one pound ebia 2 days to let's one day for mun you and one do just a moment it for muteye oka one day kwa na a favor just a moment now na musu mo hayake ya ni moti ya to mompene ana me sa edi boss yeah what you can
yes
me me take o be gi number e was secret e we chi na kwa fe ga na kan say no ye ne ba wo so jan say
oh David but yabotre we one personal issue so what you say and once it's their personal issue I just don't want to go there. It's only an advice I can give him. And if we no so media mano. And let's leave it like that. Thank you so much for speaking. And so obeti me report no. Obeti me report no.
Boss, report no. Afi uni me pacho sumpa ekwechi papa.
Sure.
Na still maintain Ashama communication officer Jo Ashama Muntubano. Me that's it.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Okay, so really? Have we gotten to this stage as a country? This is really, really, really worrying. Really, really, really worrying. Okay, so let's speak to this last caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, me pacho wana me ne say.
Please, I want to let us speak on off air, please. Off air, please.
You want to talk to me off air, Patrick? Look, speak to him off air. Speak to him off air. All right, okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Richard Aqua Coleman, president of the Association of Clinical Psychologists. Now, Edin Komo, because this is a worrying issue. It's a worrying issue because or baby are now affected. Ewo Kenya, Minamukase, Wokumune every assassin. And of course, yes, indeed, Ghana has also maybe so ewo or how womu name as far as this issue is concerned. And yakwa manasona yen and komo. Richard Aqua Coleman, Yama Aqua Baba for God and Country, also SOMPA 106.5 FM. Awakra. Hello. You are live. Okay. You are live on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. And you better was pass. We are calling you in relation of a year Russian in our Ghana. Ha, ma. With just about 4 words. What is your name? Where do you work? How old are you? Follow me. And then it happens. And of course, yes, a money be enam at a teni or how. And again, information reaching to us, so do we check Kenya or baby and now a victim of this circumstance. One who come. I don't know what advice or guidance the beti media ma yenu anmo ma wo sa kind of problem yemu. What do you tell them as a clinical psychologist?
Well, that's me. First of all, I said, I'm not a clinical psychologist. Yes, I'm a psychologist, but I'm not a clinical psychologist.
All right, so thank you so much for that. Okay, that's fine.
However, as an associate president of the, in fact, you may know you're the public statement about ABOTCHIE.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Oh, I think we have missed me. Okay, Pacho, let's get back to him right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. SOMPA, when we sit down on Forgotten Country, we try as much as possible to digest the issue to the core roots right here. So it's for that reason why Yafre Bema Coleman come on and we live here. Coleman, you are back on air, and then that will cast and be a mobile issue, a statement on this particular issue.
Yes. In the statement they were to Jana. Yeah, woman is they monitor come my course now. I said, yeah, they are getting now to man also.
Okay.
Emma, if you know, moon, then you tell my kafa or hono, say a shame cry. And you cry. Now, there are some 4 or 5 reasons in here. Jesus say, ye a studio, a man I blame woman, I say a guy. Now, a poor pine boy, the first one, blow. It's only say, and never bring a course, and say, actually, now, psychologically, no, they don't become, they don't become traumatized. The first one is
okay.
Oh, say, whatever has happened has a potential to cause serious psychological harm. Because even though it caused, it was sensual, yes, or for the sexual act, but did not agree there. A very common, and also the video.
Good.
And also the to platform, so over to man that didn't now count. If you know, the visa about now, we don't say, oh. I do I do now we need that also now be PA or ABOTCHIE you can watch them. I think a bit of the post-traumatic stress or next they can be depressed because it's someone can be a DD. The number will be the area who be the investigation of the sorry to kind of
yeah.
Oh, in common cost and it's any a casa and man say a dose of dodo. Now a woman has said a break also. You best shock me at the first one. Actually, I can't put a Tom again. Now, I'm not confirm how the brave I'm wrong. I did toss me and soon said,
Almost say, of course, radio, so no send will be I can say, they should have known better. And they were cheap. They were this, they were that, you know. In fact, and also Krapono has a potential for secondary trauma because Nyamana or more can one semono. We should be here. I was the next idea, the panel, a chick. This is also the Ghana Hano. In training, you know, Ankasano. We are not able to protect our personal space.
All right.
Elsewhere, to say the US near Diano, there will be a whole national stranger there when you not dream there was an also move. And after so, you can't say your power here, you're hospitable.
Yeah.
The boy was a braneno, and once a weakness. Now, especially says, Obi, Ayo Bruni, Obonipita, Nasa of flower, Nasa or so one. Once a year, as I say, Hano, yeah, power one year, Diano, or you been in your crowd, and I brought you know, it takes the psychology. So, hey, what we got a free call? It's Brian Naka, not your person also. Now, when I no far and say, a man is cheap and I a plan. I say, I pay that kind of respect and trust. You know, any uncommon a man won't be any of my first wow.
Yeah.
A branch no moment near Obi and I find something near Wapo and
okay. Okay, my end I say pass over Hokama, wouldn't come but on the aspect of money being cheaper, yeah, kikaki, a dear hard drink, but likewise, you know. A football ben out the Mamo as a psychologist, say a Kobane say, what to say we should be very, kind on them by using words Mamun Kodiboni. Now Tibia Wamuswamu woman, a man then I'll catch it.
Oh, I can say, I can say, women, no. Nya say,
okay.
We association yeah, I first I'm kind of yeah, a bema and then with
okay. I'm saying baby, I would line the moon shed and now, papa. But the Metawasi, now can say, you know, man, yen show moon crying. One was some two mono, or momo ding na, or one casan show moon crying. Now, and your munkwana, depa, or me a ma, some way at two. But in the wake of, say, one will take decisions via M woman or muncha, so they should talk to themselves positively. I believe that's what you want to communicate.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, so thank you so much for speaking to us. We are grateful. Okay. Abusha for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Na yani Reverend Joyce I Abedin Komo. Reverend Dr. Joyce Rosalind I. Yena kaya or your distinguished Ghanaian or your former politician, business executive and a minister. You know, Eba Bedin Komo live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. You know, sir, one would pick the issue, we digest it to the core. That's exactly what we're doing over here. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Yeah, Baba Moding di Mwako Bokina. Asam na esi, you know. Na ye wo edwedini bi a wono so okobokina koton toast. Na asam no see, you know. Now ben hu bi. So we can have an eyewitness account of what actually happened at Wabra, Ghana this year, when we song atwa nananum ewon siedo. Patrick.
Prof, my main cousin friend tuja.
All right.
Nonsense social media, especially TikTok. Se si ano ye marijuana ban Ghana for marijuana wahan. Almost very some do naked better.
Now obi to be said that TikTok no no I pijama
no say TikTok na same kwara no. I think say
ma me ndin komo we mbrasisi ya. Ebusafo yenya Reverend Dr. Joyce Rosalind I ewa homano so the distinguished Ghanaian, a former politician, a business executive and a minister. Yenya no homano so I didn't be din komo.
What won samuwa?
Miss samuwa oh. Debbie yan kana sa. Yeah, Joyce, you've served Mother Ghana before. Reverend, you that say so ama hokwama ye ne wudi nkomo na na apom to saying God is good. Yes, you are who ye pa. Yo, now Miss Akaitie for say Reverend Dr. Joyce I Salt and Light Ministries and wodi Juma. Okay, but ye mi say obam say ye nuanom ma wo mo Ghana hatutu. Brani brebi a won ahyase a won ne ebo no. Say ukoye social media no so a. Hwe mfonyi ni bi wo ho pa. Eya na ya ase fimo. Reverend, eya ho bia na.
Insane be. Yakasa no mini social media so.
Okay.
Maybe WhatsApp here Juma. Salt and Light so Facebook, but Juma near the end.
Sure.
And that be a meko. That's then ya meti no cred ya. And ya na me jigi say my obai me bu me say new media new or yow. It's me say.
Wow. Now me pacho then I will tell you.
Yeah, me see and say jama Russia ni be eba Ghana na oni yema no bi nyankita hona we chicha wo mfoni na odi ato social media so na me see no.
Yeah, no correct. No correct. Media me hu bi.
Ni hu bi kwa. Nti nye wie kura fa nka me say although nya me say honorable minister for communication
Sam George
Sam George ikata obema Russia di uwe bia banana mensi mu mpanin sem until we ya bright a friend me when ya mekan say me koto sre ni nuanom ma me ba me nananom ni nuanom ni sre eni diemu onyame boy en say yenya enunyam isan say yen na nyame boy en say obekra emofra wo yeyem wo ma ba out ama ya se wo mo nti nyame buyen ka onyankopon obuyen pa nti no yesu so no nisre o how biara Ohabian, so Ohabiama, you do your woman. Ohabia, you were Beba. I remind you, you woman. We get Minim sense social will be at stake. Minim say, Binaman no, the nada neate. Minim. That's the way there. Nisre. Yen share who see ye. Yen share who see ye. Ubini din komo. Afa. Your person ya mama ya nyinin quite the kakra na ya mfa ye ho ankoto amani kesi sei
Reverend meet you
ni amate say ye say man no bi aye wo mo ya ma wo munya wo mu bi ku wo mo ho and also there na meka ne say wo honam ne wo bobia na enya wo tia obi na ebo nti emfa hwanin gwase a wo kobu sei ebetwem
many jam
menko ye boni sie se ubi via ade a nyankopon dia because nipedua no ɛyɛ nyankopɔn dia sɛ woyi firi wiase a woadi adeɛ woadi ne serɛ nya w'ani ɛnyɛ aba nya w'ani na fam ɛyɛ nsɔhwɛ kɛseɛ fa yɛ adesuadeɛ na fam na ɛtwa mu a na wahwɛ wo ho so yie na wode abɔ ɛbra fofɔ.
Okay. Now, you Reverend, you better ask ne futu a wode ama ye nuanom mma. Na ye be bisa sɛ oba dem pa na ebema ho kwan a obi a wonim ne da. A wo ye ho fi ɔman foforo bi so aba Ghana ha. Na wo be hia na wo be ti ase ama no. Na wo ne bekɔ akɔda.
Mr. also your bear, my baby, I wish you baby on the baby.
Reverend.
And say, a nipa mo ade.
Okay.
After the beer. Na ye really see your home. So I will say, I will say, beer, if I could win him, no, the beginning part will be
okay.
So, and until I said, don't say, na be maybe you take a fine mono, and I'm sitting so no baby when you know, no fan of Connie fee, and no fan of hotel. As I also be a na obi e nkura na say Yankopon we hu
e no kra
nti no ahwe na say nyina say hwe hu so yie na ye dwum ya kono so kakra ye dwum ya kono kakra na etna etna ne hwe hu so yie because say social media be
good
akoto institution so maybe a dati bi ko akopɛ adwuma ayɛ na akɔhwɛ na ɛno nso so na abɛyɛ ɔhaw kɛseɛ ti wei deɛ ne kyerɛ ɛnyɛ adesuadeɛ ma yɛ nyinara ɛmaa ne mmarima nyinara ɛnyɛ adesuadeɛ ma yɛn na me a ɔdɔ yɛn yɛ ɔno ne yɛ kasa na ɔkyerɛ sɛ wiase no baabi yɛduru no ɛsono sɛ ne ɛsi teɛ a ahwɛ yie na ɛsɛ yɛde bɔ bra na Auntie Joyce oba wa de wo ma woni ukunu wo ho dem pa na be ma wa yesi eh Auntie Jo enunti ne ka se enso hwe wo wiase enunti ne ka se enso hwe wo wiase na enso hwe so die nka wo dwene ho a ye so wo hwe a ehu hia se wo besi so say a drone social teacher or my social yet time or time in social ba can you see when they say and ye can't continue in social say a desire no bob radia and social pool bar won't a wide dream mukra catch us at me queen mommy you that voice also catch us and yes but yeah catch us say Nenkoye no ono no pesa o passing social no into ya into your conscience
right
into your conscience ye ma afiye
enye juma okay now the influence of social media abanfo bita flaunt agudie ni ahonya bi a wo wo social media ye nuanem mmai and you know some have said say niema na wo mu hu social media no so no eya ono so pebi iPhone 17 Pro Max about o pebi ntuma we about o pebi sa niema no enya ni bre honhom bi na ehye sa mane mu amo timi yes ade no
that's say o se ni bre na doso ni bre na doso so the bi say na me ko be bi obo so obi ase na tare no no en kan hu ni o so de kwa koto ni
social yeah
the Instagram or media meaning you know nanko bia onamu baby so de wan go twa wa hu funi afa to bi so amana anye dai
the youth of today
akoye peer pressure
yeah
so akoye peer pressure uma yintu ye ho fo unia tu unia fo to adam fo obi kura wa tan kura to no fo because sabi we tan for kura so open any ngwase Nti.
That's fine. But the role of the church in addressing moral decadence in our society, would you say the church has failed in that regard?
The church has failed, so there's always room for improvement. To me, if you put an answer, sorry, be brave. The friend now no kasa, you will food no class or from.
Oh,
but the Becoswa kasa.
Wow.
The Becoswa kasa. And now for any unknown, any idea, Mama Yina, Empire known to. Na yen share who ye. Because any big bus I not count mining in a not Cambusiano.
Really?
Na and Toa I can't a cry film in tea. In I share who see.
Reverend Dr. Joyce Aye, we are grateful for your time this afternoon. One of these days, sorry, why?
Martina, what more didn't crunch?
Me patrol your friend ABOTCHIE.
ABOTCHIE.
Aye.
Yo,
until Bompire, what booby ABOTCHIE? Why?
And my booby, you, my booby, my ABOTCHIE, but
yeah, that's it. Good. I wish I for what is saying, Reverend Dr. Joyce Aye, Salt and Lies Ministries. One of ye, I saw any down. One of your penny powder, so or you brutal.
Yeah.
Growing up, you know, producer due to growing up, you know, we heard of her. Yeah. Joyce Aye. Heard those times. Hey, I'm over. But she conducted herself very well.
On said when ye, and so still are no more fair.
No more fair, pa.
Ayo ashiye. Any nyame.
Na money be there. What are you want? Jesus. And money be there. Safo kantanka. What are you want? What tam? Edi esi omu nsem. Ana you want? What would them? Baby on bedu biaro. But so bedibie. Are you want? What would ya ko bebia bedibie? Bedibie. Are you want? Man, are you want? Just a public. I'm man san you want. Bedibi. Ah. You know my. One say. Reverend Dr. Joyce Aye, your cousin be. Or say, Otia Sabino, no feria mama. What's it? No feria mama.
Oh my goodness.
What's it? No feria mama.
So Okasa from
the
heart. Ayare who?
But what him say? A man we could do mema.
Oh, papa. Oh, papa. I know they are no correct because Obabi betinye fiakra ha. So oko voter akusia bema. Hardly will you see a man doing that.
Hey, but mafaka every kibuko sakota malena.
I think many uncle be discuss. Many auntie be discuss. Esi do ba mo bro wa. Oh, some papa. No, but Prof ma wa kukudu.
Na
kukudu de ma wo bi.
Unim say nkaka emaya na aba no. Ebi kra boys 4 5
Otimini omu nyina kasa.
Wa
hye time amobia.
Na nka asem nchiro. This one is from my experience. Say we a bear man na oba wo dem. Na obedu wo no de ni phone ebutu ha.
Odi nanim ni butu ho.
Me pacho a red flag. Say oba ba wo nchen na sa wo ba no course a wonya nyina afri man kwan ho a red flag.
Chirem.
Na wa asem na making.
Oba no oba nchen.
Oba na waba wo nchen no.
Onya course every man.
Course na wonya no. We receive
man kwa. Anya mema.
Me pacho mema de ba no afa he. Akwo ha me. No de. Ne ba wa. Obo no mute no. No de. Me pacho mema mo ni na.
Any red flag.
Mema me catch am say mo amunya ware a mo date no. Say ema no afa mo. O ma che mo client. Say time e ho hododo. O ma che mema no client.
Sir?
That's what I che client.
Unim town.
Oba no obeche wo client. Enti wo hwe na utua no untue bia no wagyaw. No akwa client foforo.
Just say client.
Yeah, client. Do scan kwa no woje. Wache wo client. Patrick, obi your client ana.
Me. And then
Safo,
what's the wrong client?
That's Safo client.
No, client also.
Me say, obabi na share that tone bo kire me o.
So kire mu.
O kire bo say abochi mana ya ba na yenye. Because ye ne wo namwa. E ma no yaka bo so 4. And every day bia we ma me 50 200.
Hey.
Valentine Bay. So we ma me oji enti mema na mo ho nyina no onomo watch him client amuna mutua ma no or they take care of the bills my entry home
remember my client here ba akopɛ Mr. Jana Kabutu
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and the best on ya no masa the machine account. Eya sabia ya bia wutimi de kone mama dear paku and woman gidi womu pano. Eya sciatica and a stroke so the kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade. Ghana ha bebia womu and crying ha. Say ye what Tantra Hill runabout. So ufi and crying eba. Ye won sunny faso. Ufra masama so ne bansua. Won sabunkum so. E hona ube huye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert. Hey, middle. Edrano pa wutimi to boase. Echichiwusi o. Ado. Na so ni se me the yas toothpaste and then the brush and the chichi mesima minya homka. Senti na ye bokoi. Na me die me all-time favorite. Eye yas herbal toothpaste and then the brush. Abua me ama say menum so a enyunu anasa de ehia. Me sem fimfem me biem. Na won hwasa me si aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens eye yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ni de ebo wo se ho ban demu ni nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, enu krotrodo yas herba yas whitening and the yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush abusuan chamfa se wo pedudu 2 e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboy tontonte yenum nsane e fa adwen ne e fa adwen ampa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den tonti na 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankafi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadie nkrato yi atom
abusafo ekoso adamase mama kwa baba for God and country so I was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. There's a message here. This one I'll have to read it. And of course, coming from the former regional director for education, Bunu East Region, my boss, my mom. Oh, sweet Jesus. Mama Efua Edi Amwa. Oh, mommy. Right on point, Reverend Dr. Joyce. God bless you. That is the message you're sending this afternoon right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Mrs. Efua Edi Amwa. I'm just wishing you well. God bless you so much, Mama, for your guidance, for your prayers, for everything that you do for me. Mrs. Efua Edi Amwa, we cherish you, we love you. Patrick, All right, so my production team has decided to call you so you can also speak on the matter. As an educationist, Mrs. F. would want you to speak on the matter because it's something that we would all have to address, because the decadence morally in this country is something that we would all have to condemn and advise our young girls to take a cue from. So Mama would be calling you very soon right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. And you know, this is your son, Kobla ABOTCHIE, Sweet Jesus. Yeah, so Sweet Jesus, former regional director of education, Bono East region.
Oh, okay. No, so my education aspect. Very necessary.
Is there a failure in our education system?
Yeah.
To address issues of morality.
I think so.
Yeah. Guidance and counseling units of the Ghana Education Service. You know, is it strengthening enough? What she said? What exactly can she also communicate to our listeners right here?
I think it's in the right direction.
Good.
We talk to her too.
Yeah.
Because social media is saying.
Social media is saying. Social media is saying.
They say TikTok no ko hwa. And confirm for this somebody or mo
Oh. That social media thing. It's something of a worry. The social media thing. It's something of a worry. Social media thing is something of a worry. I don't know. So I don't know how we can address this. We'll have to address it. And Patrick.
Prof.
Yeah. So I told you we have to address this issue. We have to address this issue. We have to address it.
Because you're busy and quite honest.
But what is a check our Dr. Babia boy?
You must also be at a client.
Okay, Sakara to say. But speak to the microphone. Now, Bibia a camera. Oh, now as a no by why didn't be
maybe I no be at a client.
I do be soon.
Hukpemana.
Hutafang. Oh, Kabieming. Okay. Hukule na pogo.
Ntapo.
Utapogo. Uyore labu. Esperanza. Hey. Mama bangeo. Me bange tarapogo.
One beautiful young lady.
Charlie Bachaka, on a more serious note. Ghana ha yamano. Woman ne ye ni omu suban bi a womu da ne titriu e wo social media do so.
Oh, me hu pa me hu.
Na uhu a. Say na you. Because you have girls, right?
Oh, now the emre bi etwe mu de na I have.
You have girls.
I'm married now.
De bia no kura na nye ho na me pa kire wo. Wa wo maba.
Oh yeah. Me wo baba ko.
But once we be a Pandora's box now, I was some visiting box inside. We say baby tomorrow now or guess pa.
Oh yes, send ye as a young.
Now guess no be do saying.
Oh, and it send ye mean kind ye, but I mean
untimin kind. Nothing I catch them man. But what is your name? Me patonya botre. What is your name? Where do you work? Where do you stay? How old are you? Follow me. So I be na catch
David. Mostly, don't I am friends.
A man of a
yeah, before we can even move to any different area. Minimum year, they are difficult for me.
Sir. Oh, my man of a year will now for
yeah, me no benante as friends. Now they are to study only year no maybe. And he said, minimum I am difficult.
And you know, one approach, you know, from where you sit and then say, oh yeah, Bema. Now, or baby, I want anything.
But you see, mostly no. The reason why I decide this and say, I just want to study you well and no say, ebia unni any issue bia.
Okay.
A man dey be na obu ne problem etwemu no. Or the be shower one hair okra no. Better na okra unya kudura na o ye do come morgan tem.
Problem benza.
Oh, so obu ha. yeah, will be our common previously.
Okay.
Or they buy into your relationship.
Good.
A toxic one.
So, at what particular point in time were you dating about 5 girls at the same time?
Oh, let me say, I would say maybe 4 years ago.
4 years ago. You were dating 5 girls at the same time?
Yeah, before even I met my wife.
Yeah. And how were you managing them?
Oh, I mean, well, I mean, a true friendship now the other.
I don't know, 5 girls at the same time.
Oh yes, I
now
mean,
manage you almost saying.
Oh, they mean neutral. I was just the normal conversation.
The normal conversation.
Yeah, but I think my wife. Oh, Debbie, I'm normal with everybody. But I think my wife had, or no, like, yeah, the magic hands are touching. So I just moved, and then we moved together.
So would you agree? Would you agree? Say who abusing girls? No?
I've never abused anyone.
Because just 5 girls at the same time.
No, me abuse you obiada, and I'll never do that. But the whole thing is say.
But emotionally and psychologically, you were abusing them.
Oh, Debbie, say abusing in a sense, Debbie. Debbie. Say I was preparing to cross
until you were session.
Yes, in the end at that point, after that now. My wife I'm in it too easy. Then I realized yes, I'm on the right track.
And you know, would you that time a man and I would date you on one. Would you also be surprised? No more be 4, 3, 5 guys. I know some more.
Oh yeah, I'll not be surprised because after
and you were cool with that then.
Yes, and the media I was just looking at. Baby, na me had ya, and like na me power here. Until I was just looking at all those, until me share the me pen. I just moved on.
Patrick,
and they been so
strategy ni been yet.
And they been so worried.
Strategy ni been yet.
It's just a normal thing for
me. You see, I would make free from the point.
Hey.
Oh,
they be that's
okay, me I'm a head.
It is what they do that. What they do that.
Debbie.
Because me crown on me bida.
Regina Kabutu.
Because I'll be lying.
Me 70 or so no. Ninkola Brim wins me and yes, Auntie. I feel no
70 years.
70. I feel no dating more than.
Oh my God, no. Safo can dang her baby.
Oh, one day met me a manaba. Oh. I say, Ober friend is what to swap.
Debbie. It's okay.
Oh no, dear. I say I feel no energy. Media me, I was in a searching mood, so.
But it's bad. It's bad.
Obachime.
No, Obachime. I can't lie.
Obachime.
No, Debbie, I can't lie.
No, so yeah, the new concern man. I remember my main story been. I remember one of these ladies, now my name friends be called baby.
Yeah.
Now my friend earlier, and I'm see me ba me call baby. My name friends be called, but no name say baby out. Me call no so obi a friend or the neighbor that area.
Good.
But me I didn't know. She didn't tell me anything. Until me to all my friends here have fun. And I'm who's a car be ABC not the front.
Kai.
And I now for girls being with him.
Kai.
But what's the front in Quadia?
That is only madam no.
Me I didn't talk. Okay. Who no man kasa. Me din and my name friends. I continue with my fun and everything.
All right.
And then we see you now who me the no.
Kai.
I also didn't approach anybody. It's one almost sorry call baby for.
Because when you're comfortable.
Yes, means me bisanada.
Muko share no bisanada.
Debbie, man can was
and you were very comfortable with her.
Yeah, man can was some crowd.
But you had formed your impression.
Yes.
What I'm wondering.
Yes.
So you see,
go for quite first year selection. I know
experience is the best teacher.
Go for quite first year selection. I know
but Chaka, I'm for Kase. I am man, Russian guy, no before no. A man, so to speak, cheap.
Oh, won't mean Kasa say a bit more about out. Abeka say, also Obuwa, one particular lady say sufficient income. say broni be ware no
hey
so no ohun ni sa no ohun ni sa no na o say
broni na
Jesus. Oh Jesus, sometimes
ohun so wa hitting the target.
Oh, okay.
But I see me I feel say inferior complex no so come.
Inferiority complex. Inferiority complex.
Yeah man ni bi no. Eh obu a ohun say ohun broni a ohun de onya no.
Okay.
Enya just broni.
Nipa kokko. Ti say wa wo ti we kokko ye fresh.
Even other countries.
African countries.
Because we share Nigeria for now they are now.
Yeah.
Sometimes the kind of girls some no na ebu omo abuse you omo but they are still with them. Inte idea me I don't see say ba ebiana those women no I'm sure say if they had known say papa no or impression be a or person for me about them ebia they would have thought otherwise. So she ankrofo so a ebi mu so etene so me I don't see say but also obu o si obi no ebroni a ne attitude is different.
Yeah.
And then idea was say Ghana for ankasa no. Yen yehwe because ye shia amanfo for so a ye hu omo say soro abofo.
All right.
Good. So me I will not blame the women that much.
All right. But sometimes you know so they would ask a man be so munya hwe.
Yeah, they went in so easily. Baby papa no na ono kire say ebia onyom oni omo kasa that day ne nyumre na onyom. Ebia conversation went on.
Yeah, who video yeah, who videos ne bi atade kro na.
No, say bu ha.
Oh, atade kro na. They be atade kro na.
And say follow me.
Follow me.
Atade kro na.
Oh, when your money. But Ghana might be a good.
Oh.
Solid.
Now lady beer or madam for. Hey. Lady near solid.
Solid.
Oh, solid.
Oh, solid.
Oh, you're solid.
Me share my wife. Me say no, I don't have to go anywhere.
Yeah, so you're solid.
Oh, also for my pa. Solid.
Dagarapoli.
Oh no, if you run half. Me when I met her, I don't want to say even this on radio. But when I met her,
yeah.
I was shocked. The very first time, worry I have BB.
Yeah.
I was shocked. My wife was a virgin when I met her.
Oh dear, on a more serious room.
Prof, what when you me akwan? What when you me akwan? What was it in your me? I na akwan. But my condemn no.
Debi. O say den, SARFO.
SARFO.
Tap in my grace.
SARFo.
Nyame de be ma.
Or client be 5.
Now, but obabi ache client da na.
O say na making.
Say they ache client say wutu ama no.
Na say client e bi ne say me nan for ko chele a obi fufuro de ne ba.
Di ache ne client.
Say me ko di meni. Eso me ba no obi what you be car front. O ma besi wo no mo have fun.
You ready?
That's the client ni bia no.
O ache client. Sale. O ko so ada no wa just go.
Oh, well, I think
I just go
2 days before.
I just got it at the party.
So, Okoboni to cry, and I just said, yeah, me, ya cry.
Okoboni.
A trainer boy, no, Sandy got enough for it. Maybe watching me double move.
SARFO, young share accidents, Ghana have. Let's look at accidents. We want to do some presentation. Kakrebi. Road traffic crashes 2025, alarming statistics, trend analysis, National Road Safety Authority. We have put together something to show our viewers and our listeners what they are eating. But what we're over to my Facebook wall, SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, and you can go over there and you see for yourself the warring train. SARFO, yanko. Okay, so for 2025. Accidents do I see e Ghana ha. 14,743. Nipa do I wu ye. 2,949. Okay, so the total road crashes accident do I see 14,743. What it to two last year no ho a kosoro by 9.3%. From 2024. And again, we share 1 year woo year 2,949 woo year. And also cost by 18.2% from 2024. You have cars do another involved in those accidents. There were 24,938 vehicle cars and enyas are quinsiano. And also usher from the statistics now, and also cost by 8.5% from 2024. Additional lives lost. Say odi toto 2024 de no ho 2025 no from 2024 nipa dodo a ewu beka ho no na wo ye 455. So you see the damage accidents e cause to ye manfo Ghana this year. Accidents on our roads. So if you go the next slide. Okay, so the critical finding and say fatalities increased by 18.2% among all road safety indicators. And to Ghana now the statistics actually say de biada dano according to the 2025 statistics from the your friend is saying National Road Safety Authority no. Every day biano, so if we go back. Every day biano, nipa 8 and ewu ya quantum ponso through accidents. Every day. Take it from SOMPA. Every day biano, nipa 8 and ewu Ghana through road accidents. Now we also have what we call the year-on-year comparison. Yeah, the 2024 and the total 2025 one. Statistics ni nyina ha na ewo hodo. 2024 13,489. 2025 total crashes 14,743. 1 year wu year 2024 2,494. 2025 2,949. Cars is why involved, no? And also never hui. So for young go to the next slide, quick one. And you know where just graphical and pictorial representation of the accident crashes. And you know we have the total crashes, and then we have the fatalities, and then we have the vehicles involved. Ni nyina no ye de akira okọ your Facebook wall SOMPA 106.5 Accra. You can appreciate the statistics very well. Now, first half of January to June 2025, last year. First half of January to June 2025. Yenhwe nipa dudu omu wuye 1,504, showing an increase of 21.6%. So what to 2024 no one. Nipa 1,504 ene wuye Patrick. 1 year prior 8,364. Last year, January to June. 1 year, it did them prior through accidents, injuries. 8,364. And Ukraine they should do a year 2024 figures, and also considered by 10.6%. Now, young people casa no more involved there. 12,354 Canada. And also the 2024, they know as against 2025, 9.5% increase. So let's go to the next slide. We also a comparison of the Padudu Ewuye, any injuries, any cars involved, and we have represented it pictorially for you to see. Or a Facebook wall, you can appreciate the discussion better. So for you, go the next slide. And to share gender distribution of fatalities. And remember to do a during that period that you can watch them 1,937. 78% of the total fatalities a mema. Now you share man also 492. And also represented 22% of the total fatalities 1 year. So you better say a damn pa na emano eba say a mema ewu accident mu e chenge ma. And to share a mema ewu nearly 4 times more than a ma when it comes to road accidents. Good. And to see a pictorial diagram of a meme the eyes are blue, and the eyes are move no ma, and the eyes say blue, and that's a dark crowd, ɛno ɛyɛ mmarima a wɔn yɛnkɔ the next one and you know yɛhwɛ yɛ kwan tempɔn no so a vulnerable road users wɔn a wɔn ta tware kwan mu wɔn a wɔn ta nam kwan nkyɛn according to the 2025 statistics no wɔn a ewu yɛ 550 people. Tiya yenam kwan nkyɛn a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔfɛsi traffic but mpɛn pii no yenam kwan nkyɛn a na rather no yɛdane yɛkyi ama traffic na car no fi wɔkyi ba enti mo nhyɛ no nso and then wɔn a wɔn praayɛ sɛ wɔn nam kwan nkyɛn 13,000 people na nkɔdaa under 18 years in the first quarter of year 2025 no ɛyɛ 116 nkɔdaa where statistics are wɔn capture wo na deɛ yɛn capture yɛ soso ɛ deɛ yɛn capture yɛ soso ɛ so let's go on now regional road crashes and also yɛ de aba ha ɛno deɛ yɛn kan yɛwɔ Greater Accra region yɛn hwɛ Greater Accra 91% increase in December crashes December 2025 accidents dodo esi yɛ no ɛkɔ soro 91% increase 10 deaths per 100 crashes. Just say, akwensia 100 bi ebesi bia nipa du ene newu. So why this? Safo yenko the next slide. And also your picture. Me pacho safo koenim. These are the monthly trend analysis. We did all that. So key observations are here. September 2025 accident do we see 1,108, 5.1 decrease from 2024. However, deaths increased by 19.7%, 243 deaths in September versus 203 deaths in September 2024. Please, these figures are worrying. Adentina accidents ekuyensa. Safo, adentina accidents ekuyensa. Just recent, Safo, next slide, my idea. So these are major contributing factors. One, speeding, overtaking, basa, driver bread, driver no monsa or kaka, ebia or tricana, poor judgment. Hanum, what who say overtaking all year. Calculation and flat. A company say who became. Your road traffic regulations and share and yejuma ya kwan ahodo potholes basa cars ni bi nam kwan no so a wo nya road worthy and so mo kura road worthy certificate cars ni bi nam kwan no so a wo nya road worthy and so mo kura road worthy certificate ena enforcement e ba na ya posifo na e time enforcement of the traffic laws time culture of bribery compromising road safety. And National Road Safety Authority, they are even crying. What is all Nancy Omokasa? Because they don't have money, they don't have funding. And this is a major crisis. Every day, Nipa 8, and it's a major crisis. So you have videos of any pictures. I made the send. I think this one that will come to the recommendations and all those things. But you have those videos. Now you're fun to do that. Because I had dream. Every day be anipa 8 ne Ghana akwensia. Every day be anipa 8 ne Ghana akwensia. How? Yabako senior my enko Burkina Faso na ndi nkobo we yenti nkomo we mfiri na chaka be kasa but time no my enko Burkina Faso na yendi san nkomo we da san nkomo we so unhia pa ye nua no mutu kwan ko ya Burkina ko to niam ba no ya na ha dwen ye ni na napoku be kasa chaka yes sir so this trend ya me dia kire o then I be kan fa ho.
It tells us that as a man,
yeah,
I was say, your ma nipa hon kwa, and nipa
But Chaka, on a more serious note, I've heard the National Road Safety Authority say they don't even have adequate funding to embark on education.
Yes, and yeah, true. Because some time ago we know that now almost used to celebrities.
Sure.
To embark on education now. They are road safety music.
Sure.
But now, for some time now, you take crass.
They be minty crowd. Because we used to hear "Arrive Alive." If you drink, don't drive, and those things. I don't know. The education now it's gone down.
Yeah, and it will definitely go down because as a nyama bebrene your priorities, road safety.
Okay, but look at this worrying trend. Senior, hold on, kakra. Look at this worrying trend. Ghana how ayane ye rape fintem. Chaka, Ghana ha. Me pacho ayane ye rape fintem. Hwenano ewo insawam. Aye petrol tank ya. Ekwenya akwensia adehye wo ho. Eko ho se wo mu ekwa ko software ni bi. But we easily forget.
Yeah.
And you know, we have some ways.
Okay, so
all right. Okay, and you know, you have a corner yen na napoku edin koba. Safo yanko Burkina no, yako Burkina ne ba. Now we'll come to this issue. Yeah, yanko Burkina and Brasis, yeah. Nanapoku that is saying. Good. Yeah, who ya pa? Na se here now. Nanapoku adama agina ye man, but just say why? Nanapoku who are sinful so position who ye man. It say guarantee yes aye nanwada aye Burkina ho mo amukọ ho ekoton toes e de ba oman mu ha no adehye be se enson afri mu na ye bisa o enewie on for God and country o SOMPA 106.5 ye bisa o say enkomo no sen 106.5 ye bisa o say enkomo no sen na tie na yeah.
About the F4 from the Soracono. Not on what is a truth to. You know, Conom Becona, months to Canada, Nubian, so Masalaco.
Oh, some of the night.
Only for Comra, only Baby, I would do an event because we have a name.
Nana,
if you only Baby or Moko, I was up to so Mukumufra, Burkina for so Mukumufra.
Whoa.
And the answer, I say, a bit for Frocani business or Mutuno, a Fracani and as on Chajatocano. The money panel, a decision on Mr. Trocamo, beer Unipa 7 or 8. Almost of our years, so 5 or 6.
Wow. But
all right, me and Casaname, but my skipper.
What's
serious? Come in Canada.
Uben no. Now, who shall more?
But the American, where did you go with you? It's a
Titao.
And about the mission question, if you would be.
Okay.
And you know, on a forest, a forest. And the Econano, any who touch that, the Econin to be a amorous.
Okay.
If you who touch that, I drop a little jano.
Wow.
So do Jano, when Kofa be a touch like the Abu Koala.
Okay.
No, almost on Pekka light. So do like to near Coca-Cola, no, Sama highlight. Or my highlight, therefore, not any familiar.
Now, Nyabotre, who's on my highlights? No more, then.
First one, na nipa 1
okay
and to odum light na o sa palace na so makọ nipa miensa
okay
nipa miensa no o sa dum no
okay
ne ko ya recommend me say say o frame ye no ma be nipa be 30 abochi me na no ma nipa be 30 o ma twaka no wo hia enti e wona ni mu nipa miensa e fro car no okay o fro car no and o si nipa na o ka no mi na nsi fom and anu ye ko so a e ya ye fa e ma bia be 8
okay
no fa me ma bia be 8 o me she load na ma
okay
nti bia nipa o ka no so bia nipa bia be 2024
okay
nti o mu ma o yi na nsi fom no and akwa no e brofo na o ka and o busa say ye ko he na me so ye ko akoto tomatoes no say ye tomatoes na fine na me kire kro ba ko so so na me say ye ko sa kro no so nti ono no say obi anyi ne gara card bra kono ade o mu chi ni say so nya kasa fa card bra na oni card bi e che so e Ghana di ho no mbeku
wow
nti ni pa na o card no so no obi anyi ne gara card oyi gara card na de obi anyi ne card chere no mo say ye nko no mo pa me ko ye nti o mo da do because come na me any who say this year no I saw mo de Ghana for because ye share bebre Ghana ni o mo nya wo hwe
sa
we no oh yeah, come on, people nya enkunya me nkwa na machia bi da. Na me de machia ba 2 times.
Na bo ne nyabotro, enti ade we no, embo mu hu.
Come on. Na you say so far ba na any say ja so no mo.
This is between life and death o minua.
Yeah, come on, say ni pa de na sabi o come on mo fa Libya ye ko abekire. Bebrente say so ma ni pa. So that so ni pa ko. Body pahu but the other beginning of the amount of the Amayakono. Sana Omuku Gana Nibia, what is a book around for Bokina? What is your Kugana Nibia?
They be minted.
It is what to be crowd, what to be crowd, Abiana in Tisaway, but when it is Elbian, just I will be out to Biana say, and pay for no more Ghana and to some point for your woman.
Now, Nana maybe so. Mwamu Ghana for Amuko Bokina, Echo di Jano. Muni eye bimbo bia Burkina Faso no womo mamu eye security protection bia
ye bimbo aye wo e wo adwuma ni ma ne say empanyfo no mo Ghana no e de o ma ya de kobra
yeah
efi Accra besi kuma say techistai kokosi tamale bia ne ye kwa de escort na eko
mu de escort na eko okay
yeah ye de escort and empanyfo no ade o mutu wana mo o ma ye ho adwuma wi escort no de o be kwa kosi paga na jai mo but efi paga ekono ene de bible say bi anim ene de ewunuti okona ba bedru
na bebi aya mo kotontos e wo Burkina ho no wo mu ni kuo kasie bia e wo ho amoni o mu di nsa wo so ana.
Oh, me had since I started doing any papa cope, no matter so Krunuma, a Simsi Ghana Nibi, I am so shagino. Say, be a driver Nibi accident. Now, the problem this year, you're charging a puffer, no. Inside one, Madame, you'll be almost at Nicobias.
Now, me who and Funyini be, now, and Funyini be no ha, and ye nyan. 1 year near Kukumu and no more dahono. Na one more Burkina for na say. Womo Boko Haram for ni bi anase omo ye hwan mo
Boko Haram for ni bi ewu
okay
Burkina for ankasa na de kwamna omo ma wu no we se picture keto bi na enwu ye no mo do so fa
we
se picture keto ni want him mob pictures be sa kakra bi na wo no
really
omo do so kwamna we no kofo no omo timi se ekuro ba ko
Boko Haram for no
me na ka sero abochi say bam say ba so ma bia to say ebia wo ba bi say bia tachimai na wo ba bi say bia nkwan ana twimi a omu wura twimi akuru no omu fa so metima say ekuru ni na omu mo de no
enti no esi ye no na Burkina soldier for no eni omu di besi eni ena omu so mu ku
omu di besi ena omu di besi eni na say wa won tambetu ye nyina ya to efam a wa be ka na aka
wow
Ghana for the end because say say what I say if you Ghana ni bia one say omotima ku Ghana for afasare obi anwa na kwabra yeso obi aso obi obewu
ene wo adwen mu
anya na wo madwin but maybe who no and I'm so makoto no
na the 1 year a prior no me hu mfonyini bi a wo de asende me na 1 year prior no mutimi na ebi mu adi nkomo ama mo akere mu de adekudi potia si ya ne senti wo mo so no e bi etuo egu wo mo so
ehwono na process say no problem na benya nkomo no na I just say ebi am ma o chama national chama number na unya national chama na unya national chama di nkomo we on national chama the host ono die betimanya be hu problem an kasa na e wo ho ma o mututu na e ma nipa ni bi huye.
All right, and you know, Kasa, we are best so big so now. When me producer Kasada, your national chairman, and number na, you know, so your friend on that, you know, need to come on.
No, me to be promised to come with the chairman there. And say, free salmon in the no, and a pop for no, it is in the no. I hope send me a short say, when you information in.
Because you know, I news for the crowd about Boma no who say national chairman no money in the Bekasan numeri on hot by news. Okay,
I don't know the bit mama winning, but yeah, pictures who ye any mama.
But most of them then I'm what to say, then I'm what to say. So, or one young thing commodity, then I was what to say.
Oh, who's that? What if I almost said I'm teaching the papa, and I almost even teaching the combat class in much Kano, the country on Kana. On Chinich Munchero, Sa, and I want to once. And
then I would say, okay.
So what I maybe I'm saying, I don't know, the deeds are quite cheap.
But
we don't information here party
yeah, national chairman of Kasan enumerate live here also. But here for Munkai say this evening on SOMPA on Hot Bite News on our news bulletin. Yeah, national chairman of Bedinko. So stay glued over here because this is where you'd get to know and this is where you get to hear it first. But Nana, you make your but the Ubasako Burkina view.
Come on, what you read there? I'm saying you saw some of Macabiaco. Imagine, because yes, you know, so Macabiaco, we only give us a question into your Macadia. Meaning, I said for information who we.
But Burkina, no one to mean Jaikwana.
What you make us show?
Me too.
Which I Burkina and Tosa Jumano. From January up to May ending. Tomatoes, you need tomatoes organa.
Whoa. January to May ending.
May ending.
Wow.
You need tomatoes organa. And from May ending, no, June, July, August, September.
Nana, what am I to make? Hello. Oh, okay.
Every January, ekwesi May biano tomatoes e di no Ghana ha biano if Burkina neba you need tomatoes be fi bia Burkina na Togo.
Okay, now we no osha cars do saying ana etimi ko Burkina ko fa ntos ba yemfa na say na watch bia how many cars can you speak of?
Kwama cars ko
sir
cars ko itu the way no Jaime na morning national chama any
Nana Fugu. Now, brother, I had to watch who see you why. Michobia. Hey, Shaka.
Boss.
So wait ye. Shaka.
Chief.
Yeah, so ain't me not tomatoes. It gives the picture, say, from January to May. Bia no just yako Burkina na yako fa ntosa ba na se yako your friend is saying Togo de yako ntosa ba.
Sir.
Chaka.
Na I also think say
yeah.
You will juma ye. As o man. Na o say na me ka say farming no. E wo say edidua you move from Nkolabrem.
Kriayeno.
Yes, because you who say me no mostly na you who say punishment. Because school cry na punish why yes kodo.
Yes kodo. Yeah.
Inti no obi wie school na so nko ye fu cry onim say o ka nse hu na kire no.
Yeah.
And na ade was ye jai. Me feel say na ade was ye jai. Obi oye family bia feel say ye punish no. And aban no was say there was so a deliberate effort.
Yeah.
Towards it. And yes, ne you got two kuku bumu or tani atesu. Ubuna bem.
Baby, I didn't come on a no.
And say no credit. Fancy baby.
But you and I know say world market price no. Said the ETSC no. Untimin Tom Moka.
Na say world market price no. E sha say nyene. Inti say mrebi na world market price e na elidia. Na obi etimi ko say
have you taken a look at
eso mukutupa say I was say your mouth na aban no was so mouth ska say ni we sisi wo me ba me double na.
That was in which year?
Oh, na say last year yeah.
Satana, what was the world market price of cocoa? What was the exchange rate?
Oh,
have you checked? Because I have checked.
No, I have. But you see, all I'm saying is say, all I'm saying is say, unim say aban no air carry forward. You see, the problem is not just the world market price na ba artist no. Because any eyi bi omu ye bia no, o gye nkrofo no ebre a aban no gye cocoa kuafo. Omu seeds so okoton no. Na price na say. Na 7,000 9,000 Instead then aban ehudi until now.
Sa time no na 7,200.
Yo. Inti no eno no eye cocoa kwani no. Ono ni problem and say aban ni problem. Inti sa aban wakobo ka. E den na odi ko so cocoa kwani.
All right. End the chairman for course but mami enye adewe emra sisia na minimum dinko. Mami nka say 2074 wo dwaman so 2074 aye duduro me pato duduro wo bona no pa na enwumra yade de wona ne tonkwanta wapaye o na wa wo yare kwankro say ye moja broso wanya sihire yade ana kro bi ato na ho ana obebi na kro no nkoda 2074 beka wasema ma siese wahra na wo brebo bema wo junso ana wo chem wo kasa oba na bema ho a na no twe no netiko dechi eno ne ye friend halitosis ana wo yem kro ubunsa ide o how brewa na 2074 yakache o say it's an immune system booster a manipedua na hoden tide biara da no sori no opie fifie na ohia hoden dia ye adwuma aya 2074 T74 wo yo ba wa fefru a enye mawo wo yo ba wo ma akoda nofo a enye mawo abofra onye ndi 12 years 2074 enye mawo drugstore pharmacy shop bia be on be benye bi 02460 73493 again 050 162 8931 so open the do mo a etu atonga okay she druggling kuma say Ashton calling na kebal na kai say just bread and pastries says omo bodo kono ton wo e die down so just hot kinky hey so ko to just hot kinky obetimi akra no obetimi storage no easy enti mpacho say uye eye ana event bia a obe serve dokono wase a fa weni kire just bakery e wo dome commercial bank de chi wa na ko tubi na fa ko your program 3 cedis per ball fresh 0260 1960 02560 68832 02560 68832 make your kenke experience healthier and more profitable with just hot kenke ebusiafo endi chat edwuma ko ba ko so na wie o ma so ya sene wo mo so mo boan pa RSYD no Video Studios maka ho nsam akireo ma me ndi nkomo we emra hello good evening
Mr. ABOTCHIE
yeah me ba so na me ne ka say
Jano one because of it domain. Yeah.
Ajana one yet you.
Yeah, Mama, and then you my pa who they show on my Ghana.
Sure.
Oh, what this in some way, the book or last every year. ASM, yeah, papa, because of my eye of we, never call for me, or be a percent, or be digger. Now, be Ghana, can you require my Marshona, Sabi, who found matters to try, my minister, any authorities, among them, be found pa, who was a media, we need me, how to be Kawacha.
But that's a fast so much. Hello, good evening. Yeah, be back on 1 minute in the castle.
I don't want to make a double of Uncoverio.
A Janimo, what about my you?
Hey, where you just said, I jump by any abona, your secret in your way, now.
Yeah.
I've got 100, so my mini or today.
Oh, there be 1 minute, David. We ain't Uti and Common and this is here. Wasn't a gun for the only near Yasama, my touch to Anna, Amana, one way yeah. I didn't tell.
We got to the bench if you are not the son or fan.
Hey,
I didn't want someone. Let me catch for that. I'm a young number and Scooby and providing number about. What if you are not a former, a man application?
Wow. Midase. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me bacho. Yeah. Yeah, me bacho wana me nene
Elliot,
okay, Elliot, what am I mind to why?
Uncle.
Yes.
Yeah. Sa bukum haram.
Yeah.
Minya. Just say any pabia, me who mo daw, but what's your story? Almost nipa.
There be.
Almost that true. The same thing. Cote d'Ivoire, almost one more soldier, almost that true. Oh, that is simple thing. Boko Haram, a bit that trust you at a few ways. How easy? Because West African country, a Kabuma, a bit a Kubuna or yes. Because Ghana,
Omunya Bonibia.
That's a question you have to ask yourself. So, innocent people, Moko Janiba, what's your solution? It's the Minister of Defense. One of them nice but Ghana, all countries, almost Ghana, the same time Cote d'Ivoire.
But Udim say Ghana has a lot. Aquinshana is so I did a hard dream power.
I'm also a hard dream. And I'm also hard dream. Why?
Midase. So, but hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me bacho 1 minute kasi.
Bacho original akwa me je unya me SOMPA 106.5.
Hey, thank you for how to say.
Oh, Prof, I'm going to your home here for.
Good. What are my bacho my intiwe?
Prof, there's a SOMPA there's a man can you?
I didn't try.
Hey, na SOMPA there's already a more born or Ghana. SOMPA I'm paying for the shower test. Because Mama have a poor mind, Papa.
Yeah, that's it.
Also, symbol my woman need that home. And will be a chance. And I from the time can be this Mr. The opinion for say. And in soon as talk, probably do a man with me. I thought that you be damn nice, now amount for than a 2 amount for. And I get it, yes, I'm paying for. The people and also I ain't there home to play. The gentleman outside in my union work for. And pussy, a bit me about man. Now we're being civil. The one say, yes, I only never go sign him. I'm on it. If I found my woman, union you. But if you are Muslim, that won't call him. And now we had a bonnet. I'm paying for my penny, Mama. Whatever I'm Mr. I'm not being Muslim. Young to cheer. Ever work for near Mamma to Gigas, Umian to the our memoir. Not 2028, you are like my team upon to
Medase. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, me paso 1 minute kasi.
Paso we SOMPA Kwashiman.
All right, SOMPA Kwashiman. By NTA.
Okay. Paso me pese me hu nyentia omo mkofa
ntos fi Burkina no ubu so mo am se Ghana ntos nso sad no maka menti ase because
betio koso
ubu sa am se Ghana ntos nso eti no mko Burkina Faso faba enti swamba ni bia Ghana e bia no enye papa okay kai e bia bibia kanta say na tie that na market woman for nya de ne ye no openye enso ani.
All right.
Oh, because me je ho amenti ase. And the second ye ne wa a bit is koku asemi ya be.
Yeah.
1% keku fado and e so na sa asem we see and can this open come ka den.
Okay, ochina many honorable Kojo Ponkruma ewo 1-on-1 antimuntie. Why? Good. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me pacho 1 minute ka say.
Great Paloma, Otirigin contact staff.
Oh, Great Paloma. I don't know how my feel, sir. I'm telling you,
oh, let's see. Let's be honest.
Oh, Kafra. My intiwe.
Yo, wait there. Meda was the abo abaso. Anukwe nyamiani mse udi jumasupa magano.
Yo.
Ayete ufata basu bose yemo abasu papa.
Mirase, nyamisho.
Mba yenche mpo kwa ajumadi amudi no.
Yeah.
Ese nyankopon ene enshamo ntiamo aketua power.
Amen.
Ha. Yo na masemu ambepesa mekani se me kope bibia bedi. Enu ani ni o.
Ene me beye den nenam.
Aha, no bia ba ko sha niwo. Ade obi ko tonto adabedi anuko ko tutu akun mo ayede ati media mesre mpote omu fo omu na si fom na yo mo ta nkofo na omu ko Burkina no omu bo omu pai.
All right.
Nyeta ye nyanto so endi o man mu na ka abonshan so no ye betre road safety one go for no ye ta omu
Great Paloma, say National Road Safety Authority for the crown. One in this guy, one be education. Want to know, was here in a Kasama Adava for the TS, say, Supidi Bebre Beno, Womunyai.
Aha, never do open. Shadio, I have to go back over the I mean, the idea of the about we are be as I check a class and I bet in a car so.
Yeah.
I just nothing that was who are. Jenny, nothing that be so big. No, I'm not quite there, but not America. Send them who just said that and we don't visit our midnight tomato. Every year, nothing that's one of the also. I think it's catching your bar. Yakupon town. Yakupon
so can't hold your say hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me pacho 1 minute ka say. Me pacho. Okay. All right, that's fine. My intiwe.
Oh, yeah, my away there. I want you award nana.
Ah, so say by but the Yenya nomination, it tells as a ye boy juma. You know, next year there, inshallah, I bet you why.
My I mean sharp no is my part. Which we start critical questions. And mental
all right, good answer. Yami Shrapa.
Ghana we would actually be air crossing. We tell them me baby. We talk quiet, ma. We are there for Afra.
Asra, make I about minima srapa.
Hey, Charlie. We treat Afra or you change the no happy and to matter what don't go there.
Hey,
but you say the more who drive no
Asra no mudu go mo hwene mu no bi no.
And you be pepe. Who you no or upgrade no recra. And you want to watch my because a quantum yes papa be out.
Wakwaba.
So and you want to watch my away that what the Asemia
Aye. Yeah, be carry on watching.
Because it means I mean,
you meet you.
Last year, as it was, Chris for me, track re, Ashuma, or Commander Hono, I did that with two. I did show them what you are a patch over the slow or now for a push for. For no
case, no. All right. Yeah, but by any last call on in hello, good evening. Hello. Hello. We must have it so capa. Hey, oh, bon, can't to market. My issue. Go with him. Baby, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. But me for last call on hello, good evening.
What you saying?
Me was hoping on pa.
Me Paul St. John.
All right, Paul Bokori yanko.
Me cha me nua
apam Joso.
Kakra me kan say nipa ya semo ya uji ni sika je na wako kunu stein. Nipa denti uji ni sika na kwaje. O ma na hwere ni.
Sakabio.
Ye nim dia ban betimi ya fa we mu. So mu bibi on be ye dia na awurade ye tra ban onye bibi ma yen.
All right. Yeah, that's it. Erade so nka ho. Na adenti na Ghana ha. Yan ntimi ndo tomatoes all year round. Ochina yebebo modern akọ Ministry of Agric na yakodi san komono live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. But ochina so yakams yani honorable Kojo Ponkruma. Our one-on-one issues. One, on these cocoa issues. Two, the economy general after the first year of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama's presidency in office. And then we'll also be looking at other party issues. Issues concerning the new patriotic party. They are touting unity. Is it real? Tomorrow we'll be getting into it. On behalf of the team led by Bright Entry, SARFO, Kantanka, and Patrick, would want to say a big thank you for listening to the show. God willing, tomorrow we are back here. Saka, my brother, a brother from another mother.